Hello everyone, today we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So here's the box. On top you see your Samsung branding S9 Plus. On the bottom you see the color of the phone, which is a midnight black. Then some basic tech specifications. So let me remove the phone box out of this outer cover. Then you see a Samsung seal is there. It's really nice that Samsung has included this in the box. It means that the phone has not been opened. So let me cut open the seal now. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna open this box now. So you see a paper box that includes a how-to guide and a SIM ejector tool. It's really nice that they included it. Then we get a phone. Let me remove it from here. Yes, wow, it looks amazing. Just gonna keep it aside for the moment. Then you get a plastic casing, then some basic accessories. Let's see what we get. A USB to USB-C adapter, then you get a micro USB to USB-C adapter, then you get a fast charging brick. This is also a great inclusion. Then you get AKG earphones, then your cable, charging cable, and then lastly your uh, earbuds, extra earbuds for earphones. Now let's remove the plastic. Wow, that sounds nice. Let's remove the plastic from the front. That sounds amazing. Okay, there's a bit of glue that's stuck on top of the phone. I'm just gonna remove it. Oh yeah, it takes a little bit of time to remove it, but not such a big deal. Okay, now at the side of the phone there is a plastic sticker. So Samsung has made sure that your phone is protected properly inside the box. That's really nice. I've never seen this on any other phone. Okay, it just takes a little time to remove the plastic, but it's good that's there. Okay, and almost done. And the last piece. And yeah, oh my god, this is a fingerprint magnet back. Okay, let me just remove that sticker. Yeah, that's done. Okay, so unboxing has come to the end. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.